top tip for polished and professional video production. Hi, my name is Bernardson. I'm a commercial videographer and photographer. Your marketing or presentation video is only as strong as its quality. If you want a powerful, polished, and professional piece of video, you need to get the job done right. Still, the process of creating needs to be understood if you want to be able to use the video for capturing leads, engaging customer, and building your brand to successful company that get attention within your industry. Start with a solid plan. The slickest and most stylish video will do nothing for you if it doesn't have the right type of content your target audience wants. Before pressing the record button, sit down and hash out an actionable plan for the entire video series or just your video. This must align with your company, brand identity, and story above all else. After all, you cannot possibly advertise your business or organization if you do not include vital information about it. Is your content for a niche audience or for entertainment? The plan can include script, storyboard, and an outline, or even a list of general goals and ideas that you want to convey. Will you use a teleprompter or will the video be edited on the fly? Will that be outsourced or not? Do you need a team or can you do it by yourself? Maybe an experienced video production team can help you create an effective plan that will work in a short video format. Choose a great background. Every aspect of the video that represents your company or organization requires polish and brand specificity. This includes the backdrop a speaker stand in front of, neutral tone that do not conflict with the lighting work best. You may also consider using a color or pattern that align with your company logo. If the video is outdoor, on location, or in studio, make sure the background provides enough contrast and do not include anything you do not want to associate your audience with your brand. Just letting you know, this video is brought to you by BDH Collective, a collective of freelancers who provide all the creative, technical, and administrative resources you need for your creative project. If your project is in media, multimedia, advertisement, design, art, or fashion, this agency is for you. If you want to check out BDH Collective, visit their website at bdhcollective.com. Let's get back to the video. Invest in lighting. The last thing you want to share with the world is a dark and shadowy clip. This not only makes it difficult to watch and see everything, but also give you the wrong impression about your brand. If you want a polished presentation, light things up. However, also watch out for excessive glare, reflection, or washout look due to excessive brightness. Use great audio. Creating a presentation video gives you the opportunity to edit anything you say or do in order to sound as good as possible. Always use an external mic close to the source of the sound, namely your voice. I am currently using a lapel mic. If you're using a background music or sound effect, make sure they are handled on different tracks and integrated smoothly at the proper volume. If you have a video guy doing it for you, they should at minimum tweak the pace of the audio, remove awkward pauses, and clarify parts that did not come out as expected. Final editing are necessary. Even if you follow all these tips, you still need to go over the complete video one more time to make sure that everything is perfect. The last thing you want to do is to put out a marketing video that's shown to hundreds or thousands of people before you discover that it has no sounds or it's all black. This is the last step, and let's be realistic. It's hard to get everything to be perfect, and sometimes failure happens. So I have done video without a solid plan before, without perfect background, lighting, or audio. The goal is to get used to running through that list so it can become a second nature and fewer mistakes will happen with time and experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.